चेहरा है जैसे झील में हंसता हुआ कवल, या जिंदगी के साज पे छिड़ी हुई गजल। जाने बाहर तुम किसी शायर का ख्वाब हो, चौदहवीं का चांद हो।
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Dream Girl Need to. So today I want to share with you this beautiful bridal look. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin our video. First I'm going to moisturize my face with this serum. This is really hydrating serum. I will apply on my face and properly moisturize my face, and after that I will spray it out properly that my face fully moisturized. After that I'm using this second serum. This is from Good Vibes, and apply all over my face that my face fully moisturized. After that I'm going to moisturize my lips with this lip balm. For primer I'm using this Blue Heaven Silken Base Primer. If you going to special occasion, I will definitely suggest you to apply primer for sure, because primer forms that sticky base that foundation can stick out, and which makes a foundation last longer. For foundation I am using these two foundation together. One is a Fit Me foundation, second one is Lotus foundation. So I will mix both foundation together and apply on my face properly, then moisturize my face or prime my face. After that I am using this beautiful shade on my face with my finger, and I will apply with my finger. Then I will take Damn Beauty blender and blend out properly. And now I'm using orange color corrector. This is from LA Girl Pro Concealer. This shade is orange, and apply on under my eyes, which I have dark spot, black spot, pigmentation, so that hide everything. And I am going to blend it out with my fingers. If you want to use brush, then you can use brush or beauty blender. I'm blending it out with fingers because the warmth of my fingers help blend it out very smoothly. Then I am getting to set with this Blue Heaven loose powder before I move on to foundation or concealer. To highlight my face, I'm using Kiss Beauty concealer and blend out properly. I'm going to use this wet beauty blender and blend out my concealer smoothly. Don't do so hard, application will be so softly. After that, I am using this NYB contour stick to contour my face. To highlight little bit more, I am using this 2-in-1 highlighter. And I am going to highlight my face with this 2-in-1 highlighter and contour stick. This gives me extra shine on my face. Then I will take Dan Beauty blender and blend out everything. For compact, I am using this Fit Me compact powder to set out everything, mostly highlighted areas of my face. Fill my brows, I am using this brown eyebrow pencil and fill the gaps to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. Then I am using this Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. Then I am taking this shade. This is going to be my transition color, and with blending brush I will press into my outer corner and then I will press into my middle of the lids. And with this small brush I will properly blend out, make sure that no harsh line. And I will blend out with this flat fluffy brush. This is a perfect for crease. Then I am going to apply some glitter on my lids. Next I am taking some black eyeshadow with this small shutter brush and I am going to define the corners of my eyes. I am going to use this eye tech eyeliner. I am using this dazzler eyeliner to draw two wing line. Lashes, I am using these beautiful false lashes and apply some glue on it and then apply properly on my lids. For mascara, I am using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara today. After that, I am using this Faces Canada Kajal. apply bindi. And for blush, I am going with this pink light blush and apply with this fluffy brush. For highlight my face, I am using this highlighter. This is truly amazing highlighter and I just love it. I will apply this beautiful highlighter on the high points of my face. I am going to apply my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, on the inner corners of my eyes, and for lips to go with my this beautiful red color lipstick. It has a very smooth swipe. It gives me super matte and transfer proof finish. And last, I will apply good setting spray on my makeup. For finishing touch, I will wear bridal jewelry, and yeah, this is the final look. If you like this video, then let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, don't forget to give me thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video and follow me on Instagram, link in the description box below. If you're new here, so please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share video.